Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said 10 crore rural households of the country have been connected to pipe clean water facility. He was addressing the Har Ghar Jal Utsav in Panaji under Jal Jeevan Mission via video message. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) has lodged an FIR against Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi Manish Sisodia in the alleged violations of rules and procedural lapses in the new liquor policy. The 17th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas 2023 will be held at Indore in January next year. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Arindam Bakshi in a tweet said that Secretary Consular, Passport and Visa Division Asaf Saeed and Chief Secretary of Madhya Pradesh Iqbal Singh Bains signed a memorandum of understanding for hosting the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Sovereign Gold Bonds 2022-23 Series 2 will be open for subscription from Monday, August 22. It will continue till Friday. In cricket, the second one-day international of the three-match series between India and Zimbabwe will be played at Harare Sports Club in Harare today.